Okay, go to the website, CA-IDPAshooters.com, which is right here. Just go to the sign up. Here's an email list. Go ahead and sign up for the email. Get yourself on the email list so they'll send you announcements for upcoming events. But you're looking for this right here. This is registration. The word is highlighted. Press on that. Brings you to practice score. The upcoming events are here. This is the 26th, the 9th, and the 23rd. These are countdowns, so when you can sign up. This one's open, so you can press that. This is the necessary information that you might need. Address to the range, the time that the shooting starts, where you need to be as a new shooter for the briefing and so forth, and the price. Fill out the first three lines, first name, last name, email. This is the division that you're going to be shooting. If you're not sure what division, it doesn't matter. Just press whatever it is. When you get there, we'll work it out for you. Classification is right here. I'm a master. If you don't have a classification, just press unclassified. This is an additional extracurricular category since I'm a little bit older. Senior, then you have a member number. I highly suggest you go to idpa.com and sign up as a member. There with a membership number like mine, 906998, you'll get $5 back, and that's your discount. Your phone number, classifier, I'll explain, or we can explain when you get there. This is to classify your ranking, and you can do that at the range. You're not a SO, so don't worry about that. If you want to help set up, not for your first time, but in the future, you may do so. This is first time. Make sure you press yes, and then mentoring program. The mentoring program for extra $20, you can get a mentor with you, and the mentor will not only videotape every stage that you shoot and email it back to you, but they will also analyze it, give you little pointers and things that you can work on for the next match. For $20, I think this is a great deal. So you can press there, say yes. The waiver, go ahead and read that. There are 2 additional waivers that you need to sign when you get to the range, and those are digital at the range, but just go ahead and press that, and then you put your payment information. So you are now registered for the match. This right here is where you're going to stage yourself, or what group you're going to be in. So you can take a look, review everything that you have. If everything's good, you can press save. These are the groups that they have, or what they call squads. Anything that's blue, you can go ahead and get into. Reds are filled already, so you need to go to something else. So I shoot in usually squad 6, so I can press 6, and then you can squad me. If you want to shoot with me, go ahead and squad with 6 and then press squad. Select squad, and you are all set. So it gives you everything here, where you're shooting, and if you want to change squads, you can do that as well. And that's how you sign up for CA-IDPA.